Rockford Fosgate TMS6SG. Harley speakers that actually cut through highway noise. Struggling with weak, tinny sound from your Harley's factory speakers? Frustrated by distorted music at highway speeds or lost vocals and engine roar? It's exhausting when every ride sounds muffled and lifeless. For riders who crave clear, powerful audio, standard fairing speakers just don't deliver. Don't settle for subpar sound that dulls your riding experience. Cranking the volume only to hear distortion, missed beats, and muddled mids adds stress to your ride. Crushing deadlines, long trips, and daily commutes feel less enjoyable when music loses its punch. Even a premium exhaust can't hide weak audio, leaving every mile frustrating, every highway run a test of patience, and every scenic route less immersive than it should be. Meet the Rockford Fosgate TMS6SG Power 6.5-inch speakers, engineered to transform your Harley audio. Designed as a direct OEM replacement for 2006 to 2013 Electra Glide and Street Glide fairings, installation is plug-and-play, no modifications needed. Featuring 75 watts RMS, or 150 watts peak, a polypropylene cone with Santoprene surround, and a 25mm dome tweeter with integrated phase plug. These speakers deliver crisp highs and full mids even at 75+ mph. Element-ready design ensures UV, water, and corrosion resistance, perfect for open road riders. One Street Glide owner said, "I finally hear vocals and guitars clearly at highway speeds. The difference is night and day." With robust build quality, integrated grills, and optional RGB lighting, your rides are now immersive, loud, and crisp, blending performance, durability, and style in a single upgrade. Experience next-level Harley audio with Rockford Fosgate's Power Series. The TMS6SG speakers deliver exceptional clarity, volume, and durability even at highway speeds, turning every ride into a concert on wheels. Experts praise the focus on mid-range frequencies. Vocals and guitars cut through engine noise where stock speakers fail. Influencers highlight the plug-and-play design, allowing installation in under an hour without splicing wires. Customers rave. "Even with my stock head unit, these speakers are louder, clearer, and full of rich bass, no distortion." With marine-grade materials, polypropylene cones, Santoprene surrounds, and Neodymium motors, these speakers resist dust, UV, water, vibration, and corrosion, built to survive years of open road abuse. Many stories reveal riders enjoying scenic cruises, where every chord, drum, and harmony comes through unmasked. Whether paired with stock or amplified systems, the TMS6SG delivers power, precision, and immersive sound. Why settle for muffled music when your Harley deserves Rockford Fosgate quality that's proven, rugged, and thrilling to the ears? Don't ride another mile with weak factory speakers. The Rockford Fosgate TMS6SG is a limited stock upgrade that transforms every ride. Join thousands of Harley riders who now enjoy crystal-clear sound, powerful mids, and distortion-free highs. Act now to secure these rugged, highway-ready speakers. Your music, your bike, your experience deserves nothing less. Upgrade today and feel the difference from the very first ride.